Hello, and welcome to Early Stage Investing Launchpad. Today's session is going to be about angel investing. Is it for you? We certainly hope so. And this video has been made possible by support from the European Union Horizon 2020 program and by the many partners that are listed here. I'm Brigitte Baumann, founder of Go Beyond. We're a pan-European learning and investing angel platform. And in 2015, I was named European Angel of the Year. I've been an investor since 2003 and multiple-time entrepreneur. So today we're going to look at a little bit about who are business angels, what is a typical investment process, and how can one get started. In terms of who are business angels, we are, because I am an angel myself, we are individuals who decide to contribute money, but also our time, know-how, contacts to innovative and fast-growing startups, so young companies, usually in exchange of shares in the company. So we become equity shareholders in these companies. And when we look at who are the entrepreneurs, they're often a founding team that had a great idea, who often have developed a prototype and now are ready to go and then to grow their business, and therefore are looking for investors and ones who can add value. When we dig in a little bit more about who are business angels, most of the time it's individuals either who are still very active professionally or who are in transition, who are retired, and there's a new category of angel investors who are also thinking of one day becoming entrepreneurs. It's highly recommended that one does not spend more than 2 to 10% of one's net wealth, so after primary residence in angel investing, and really looks to build a diversified portfolio in this very high-risk asset category. Why do we become business angels? Most, it starts with making money, but there's always a strong second or third reason. Some of them are mentioning here, like learning, giving back, and networking. Let's look a little bit now into a typical investment process. Well, it first starts by having developed an investment strategy where you will have thought of, what are my motivations? What's my budget? How many investments do I want to make? Over what period of time? What kinds of investments would I like to make? And how would I like to do it, either alone or with others? Then you can start sourcing the investments, looking, meeting the entrepreneurs, doing due diligence, negotiating valuations, and the terms, and actually doing the transaction. Then you enter a phase of several years where you will add value to the entrepreneurs and potentially reinvest in those that are doing well. And all of this is towards a potential exit that usually happens over maybe between 3 and 7 years after you've made your first investment in that company. So, how can one get started? And the first thing is really to find out what you're interested in, and then go meet some angel networks, go on some crowdfunding platforms. Also, it would be, you can watch some videos, read about angel investing, attend some trainings. You can start preparing your investment strategy, from which then to choose what is the best network or platform or program for you to get into, and make sure that you do meet the local angel investing accreditation criteria. And all of this can be done with 2 to 8 hours a month. But since it's very risky, be prepared to lose it all. And we really suggest that you start with small amounts, a small percentage of your allocated budget until you really get going and know a lot more about angel investing. So thank you very much. Just to note again, these are just what we shared was best practices. We're not saying it is the truth, and it is the information's copyright protected. We really hope that from this you'll want to learn more, join the community, and you can do so by going to europeanesil.eu. Thank you very much.